In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to do if you encounter the issue where your Gcash account is already registered to another phone. Here's some methods you can use to resolve that. First one is to contact Gcash support. Reach out to Gcash customer support through their official channels, explain the situation and provide them with relevant details. They can assist in verifying your account and resolving the issue. If you believe the account is yours and there has been a mistake, verify your identity, which is method 2. Provide any necessary documents or information to prove that you are the rightful owner of the account. Third method is to check for unauthorized access. Ensure that your account hasn't been compromised. Change your password immediately and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Next, remove the account from the other phone. If you have access to other phone where your account is registered, open the Gcash app on that phone. Log in using your credentials and navigate to the account settings or profile. Remove your account from that device. If you've changed your phone number or are using a new one, update your phone number associated with your Gcash account, and you can usually do this within the app or through customer support. Now that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.